Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So all you would need to do for this is go ahead and click on the hamburger menu on the top right. It's the three little lines there, and then go ahead and click into the settings and privacy. Once you've done that, all you need to do is scroll all the way to the very bottom until you find login. Now click on switch account. So we're currently on the PT tutorial account, as you can see, and all you need to do now is add account. So here we can use a phone or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, Google, or Twitter, or what we can do as well is sign up completely brand new. So use phone and email, and there you are. You can sign up to a brand new account as well. But there you guys have it. That is how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Hopefully you found the video helpful. If you did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.